The Light Voyagers CPS kit consists of the following items: a speed of light video, a measuring field, an optical simulator, a set of target cards with a holder, a measuring kit, a modal arm with a fiber optic connection, a plastic mandrel, a mirror kit, a tape measure, an assembly kit, a fiber optic patch cord, a set of graph paper, a laser spot, a CTEC 6-stage attenuator, and runways. Start by inserting the measuring field into the slot on the optical simulator base. Next, remove the large knob on the back of the optical simulator by unscrewing it counterclockwise. Insert 3 LR41 batteries, positive end first. Next, carefully line up the threads and screw the large knob back into the optical simulator in a clockwise motion. Make sure not to over-tighten. Test the power by screwing down the knob that is located on the top of the optical simulator in a clockwise motion. Next, insert the optical simulator into the slot located on the optical simulator base. The optical simulator moves snugly along the arc. Line up the straight runway so that the center line matches up with the 0 point on the optical simulator base. Insert a target card into the base by raising the arm on the holder and sliding the card in. Secure the card by lowering the arm. Next, strategically place 3 mirrors along the perimeter of the runway. In order to measure the angle from which the laser comes in, place the protractor on the center line of the runway. Check this by toggling the optical simulator up and down. Next, place the curved runway on the measuring field so that the center line located on the upper part of the runway matches up with the 0 point on the optical simulator base. Strategically place the mirrors around the perimeter of the runway to allow the laser to reflect and refract around the curved path. Measurements can be taken by placing the straight ruler over the mirrors to calculate the distance of travel. Shut off the optical simulator by unscrewing the small knob located on top of the unit. When assembling the post, insert the bolt facing up through the bottom of the optical simulator. Next, pre-thread the post by hand into the bolt. Complete the installation by tightening the bolt with the Allen key provided in the assembly kit. Make sure not to over-tighten. Slide the measuring field back into place. Next, untighten the knob counterclockwise on the modal arm so that it can be easily inserted into the post. Once it has reached the desired height, tighten the knob clockwise to maintain its position on the post. Remember not to over-tighten. While leaving a few inches of fiber optic cable free, insert the cable into the channel located within the CTEC 6-stage attenuator. Next, insert the assembled CTEC 6-stage attenuator into the slot on the modal arm. Insert the plastic mandrel and wrap the short end of the fiber optic cable around it. Leave enough slack so that I can plug into the fiber optic connector. Next, plug the other end of the cord into the laser spot. Turn the spot on. The modal arm raises and lowers to any height while adjusting the knob. Notice the range of modal dispersion as the modal arm is set at a low height. Mark the reading for later calculations. Notice the change in modal dispersion as the modal arm is raised. Again, mark the reading for later calculations.